Welcome to CodeWithSher. Here, we turn complex coding concepts into simple, easy-to-follow tutorials. Whether you're a beginner or looking to sharpen your skills, you're in the right place. Subscribe and start your coding journey with me today. Now let's skip this part. I will share you the code in the comments section. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll learn how to reverse an array using vectors in C++. Let's get started. First, we include to headers, #include iostrium greater than for basic input-output operations, and #include vector greater than because we're working with vectors. Then, we use the standard namespace to avoid writing std again and again. Now, let's talk about the reverse function. We create a function reverse that takes a vector v as input. Inside this function, we use two pointers, one starting from the beginning and one from the end. Using a while loop, we swap the elements at the start and end, then move the pointers towards each other until they meet or cross. This way, the entire vector gets reversed. Next, we have the print function. This is a simple function that goes through the vector and prints each element. Now, coming to the main function, we first initialize an empty vector v. We use push_back to insert elements one by one. Here, we add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 to the vector. Then, we call our reverse function and store the result in ands. Finally, we print the reversed vector using the print function, and that's it. When you run this code, the output will be 6, 5, 4, 3 to 1. The array has been successfully reversed. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more programming tutorials. Thanks for watching.